Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix a wrongful termination case with employment lawyers. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by assessing the situation to determine if wrongful termination has occurred. Gather all relevant documentation such as your employment contract, pay stubs, and any performance reviews. Review your employee handbook for company policies related to termination. Identify the specific reasons for your termination and gather any evidence that contradicts those reasons. Consult with trusted colleagues or supervisors to verify if any workplace policies were violated. Document your experience in a detailed written account, including dates, times, and specific incidents. Research applicable labor laws and regulations in your state regarding wrongful termination. Consider reaching out to a trusted employment lawyer for an initial consultation. Prepare for the consultation by summarizing your case and compiling all your documentation. During the consultation, present your case clearly and ask questions about the lawyer's experience with similar cases. Evaluate the lawyer's advice and determine if you feel comfortable moving forward with their services. If you choose to proceed, work with your lawyer to develop a legal strategy tailored to your case. Stay informed and engaged throughout the legal process, following your lawyer's guidance closely. Maintain a professional demeanor in all communications related to your case. Keep meticulous records of any further interactions with your employer following your termination. Be patient, as legal processes can take time before reaching a resolution. Consider alternative dispute resolution options such as mediation if applicable. Stay focused on your end goal, whether that be reinstatement, compensation, or another resolution. Keep in mind that mental and emotional support is important during this challenging time. Seek assistance from friends, family, or professionals to help you cope with stress. Your determination and proactive approach will help you navigate this journey effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.